Hello, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer your Motorola phone photos to a USB drive. So this is very easy. I have this little OTG adapter that is going to take a USB-C and turn it into just USB right here. So I can plug into my phone. And I actually got this with my Samsung phone. If you look at it, it only cost me like 20 bucks too if I picked up another one from like Walmart or something. Otherwise you can pick them off Amazon for like maybe $5. So you can just plug it into the bottom of the phone. Now the most important thing is to find the files folder. So just on home screen on my Motorola, I'm going to swipe up, go to search for apps, and go to files right here. Click this, go down to all storage. And then here is my USB drive. Now we don't have to click in here, but we can go over here and we can probably just look and see if we got anything on here we want to delete or just look at. So if we hold down on it, we can delete it. But let's go back now. Go to all storage, go to internal storage, and locate DCIM. And you can transfer your photos over individually if we go into here. Otherwise, we could just hold down on this entire thing, press the button with the 3 little dots, go to Move To, go to USB, and then select location in your USB drive. So you can just move here, or I have a DCIM folder already. I can move it into here as well. So just go to Move To. So I'm going to go Move To here, and it looks like it moved over already. And then look for different places too. DCIM is going to be your camera gallery basically. But you could have like pictures, movies somewhere else on your phone. Here's recordings. So nothing in there. I think I transferred everything over. But very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.